So I am starting with question number 1 given on page number 213 in your NCERT book. This is a blue box question. So what is asked in this question? Draw a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, a 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm resistor and a 12 ohm resistor and a plug key all connected in series. So this is direct question, and in that question what we have a battery, and this battery is of how many cells? 3 cells. So you can see here that's a 1 cell, that's second cell and that's the third cell, and the voltage of each cell is 2 volts. So this would be, because 3 cells are there, so this would be a battery of 6 volt. That's a symbol of a battery. 3 resistors are given, a plug key. So now this is a symbol of a plug key. This is open plug key and that's a closed plug key. Now what else is there? 3 resistors. So we already know the symbol of resistor, that's a symbol of resistor. So these all things we have to connect in series. So how can we connect? Look here, this is the battery, plus and minus. So this is the battery of 6 volt. Now what else we want to connect? We want to connect 3 resistors. This is my first resistor, that's my second resistor, and now that's my third resistor, and these all resistors are connected in series. And what else is connected in the circuit? A plug key is connected in the circuit, and this plug key is closed, then definitely current will flow through the circuit. So now this is the current that is flowing through the circuit. So this circuit is completed. Now you will have to write the values of the resistance that are provided. So this is what is this? This is R1, and what is the value of R1? R1 is provided 5 ohm. What about R2? R2 is provided how much? 8 ohm. And what is R3? R3 is provided here 12 ohm. Okay. So this is the diagram of the circuit that they were asking for. R1 was 5 ohm. So is this clear? Now in question number 2 given on say page number 213, what is asked? Redraw the circuit of question 1. So this is the circuit that we have drawn in question number 1. So they are asking redraw the circuit of question 1, putting in an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors and a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor. What would be the reading of the ammeter and voltmeter? So ultimately what they are saying, that in that circuit that you have drawn in what? In question number 1. Now you connect an ammeter. So how can we connect an ammeter? Here we can connect. So this is the ammeter that I am connecting here. That's the symbol of ammeter, plus and minus. So now the current will pass through this ammeter. So the ammeter we have connected, and what else they are asking? The potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor. Okay. So how to connect a voltmeter across? This is the one end of this resistor and here. So here we will connect a voltmeter V, and what reading it would give us? This is VT. This was R1, R2 and R3. So what reading this would have? V3. Okay. Potential difference across third resistor. So what it is? This will give us V3. So now two things we have to calculate. Here I am writing everything is given. We have to calculate what? Current, I we have to calculate, and potential difference. Potential difference across with, across what? Potential difference V3 we have to calculate. V3 means across third resistor. So these two things we have to calculate, and we already know how to find out the current, because whatever current is flowing here, the same current would be flowing here. So IT equal to VT upon RT. But we will have to calculate the total resistance of the circuit first. So let's calculate RT. So to calculate RT means to calculate total resistance of the circuit, we'll have to see these are connected in series or in parallel. So R1, R2, R3 all are connected in series. So we can use this formula R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this would become 5 plus 8 plus 12. So this would become what? 5, 8, 13, and 13 plus 12, 25 ohm. So this is the total resistance of the circuit. Now we can easily calculate the current. Now total current IT would become this formula VT upon RT. Let's put the value of VT 6 upon RT is what? 25. Tell me the current that is flowing. 6 upon 25 ampere we can leave here if you want, or you can get the how much it is. Point. Solve it. 0.24 ampere. So this is the current flowing through the ammeter. How much current? 0.24. The same current would be passing from here, 0.24 ampere. This is the ammeter reading. Now what else? We have to calculate the potential difference across this 12 ohm resistor, means across the third resistor. So here we will write potential difference across which resistor? R3. What it is? V3. And we know how to find out the potential difference. V3 equal to I into R3. So this would become V3 equal to I into R3. So now what is I here? I is 6 upon 25 and R3 is what? R3 is 12. Now we will multiply 12 6 just 72 upon 25. So what would be the answer? Can you tell?
2.88 volt.
Okay, 2.88 volt. So now in second question, whatever was asked that we have discussed, this is the diagram that we have redrawn. Second thing, the current flowing through the circuit, and third thing, the total potential difference across the third resistor. So this is the potential difference across third resistor. So first thing, second thing and third, all we have calculated. So this is the end of question number 2. Please note down.